The Elcometer Tornado Airless Pump system is designed to quietly deliver high performance and high volume protective and corrosion resistant coatings in almost all environments. Once the Elcometer Tornado has been fully unboxed and assembled, it can now be flushed and primed before first use. This is an important process to ensure the pump operates at maximum efficiency and, if not properly completed, could damage the pump. The Elcometer Tornado has been pre-oiled with an anti-corrosion lubricant, which allows it to be stored and transported without damage, so it's essential to properly flush this lubricant out of the Tornado before first use. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to flush and prime the Elcometer Tornado Airless Pump System and Segola PSAM 500 by detailing how to conduct the first startup, how to flush the pump, and how to prime the pump and spray gun. To conduct a flush and prime on the Elcometer Tornado, you will need a pair of protective gloves, a respirator or a mask, a container of solvents, and a container of product you will be spraying with. To flush the Elcometer Tornado for the first time, first connect the air intake hose. Ensure the air supply valve is closed, then connect the other side of the air intake hose to your air supply. Turn on the air supply to the pump. It is essential to connect your grounding clip to a suitable ground outlet in order to provide a discharge path for electrical currents. Remove the shaft protector and, using the supplied oil, lubricate the hydraulic cylinder. This prevents paint drying on the shaft and makes it easier to detect leaks on the cylinder. Failing to use this oil before every startup can reduce the lifespan of the components. Please note, for demonstration purposes, we have left the hydraulic piston exposed. When using the pump, always reattach the cover after filling the cup with oil. Insert the product suction hose into the container of solvents. Insert the purge hose into a second waste container. Open the air supply valve and the product valve. Turn the pressure knob clockwise until you achieve adequate pressure through the pump. Once the solvents begin circulating through the pump, you can check for any loose fittings and leaks within the system. Continue flushing the pump until you see no more product or oil in the purge stream. Shut down and depressurize the pump by shutting off the air supply valve and allowing the purge hose to empty the solvents into the waste container. You are now ready to prime the pump for its first use. To prime the Elcometer Tornado, open the air supply valve, the product valve, and dial up the pressure using the pressure knob. You will see product begin to circulate. Let the product run through the purge hose until it comes out in an uninterrupted stream. This also ensures no solvents are left in the hose. Once a steady stream of product is achieved, shut off the product valve. We can now prime the Segola PSAM 500 spray gun. Activate the gun's safety latch and remove the air cap from the gun. Spray the gun into the waste bucket until product flows evenly from the gun. To learn more about our range of industrial spray equipment, be sure to subscribe or visit spray.elcometer.com, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of any new uploads.